Your new Naples Naturals water pitcher is comprised of 4 parts: the lid, the filter, the reservoir, and the pitcher itself. Prepare the filter by fully submerging it in a bowl of cold water and let it soak for 15 minutes. Never let hot water come in contact with the filter. After it has finished soaking, wipe off the filter with a clean cloth or a paper towel and screw it into the bottom of the reservoir. Now, place the reservoir into the pitcher so the filter hangs beneath it. Next, it's time to actually flush out the filter. To do this, fill the reservoir with cold water and allow the water to drain through the filter. This should take about 15 minutes. After all the water has flushed through, discard the water and flush the filter one more time. After your filter has been flushed a second time, discard the water and fill the reservoir again with cold water. The water that filters through will be clean and ready for drinking. Since the filter gradually gets full of contaminants and filters out of your water, it will eventually need to be replaced. Each filter will last for about 300 liters of water, the amount consumed by most households in 60 days. The life indicator, located on the top of the lid, informs you when those 60 days have passed. To set up the life indicator, press and hold the Set button. When symbols appear on the display, release the button, and your life indicator will begin to count down 60 days. It does this by displaying 4 horizontal bars. Every 15 days, one of the bars disappears, until finally, after 60 days, all 4 bars have disappeared and the number 0 will be displayed, blinking on the screen. This means your filter needs to be replaced. If you would like to deactivate the life indicator, hold the Set button down for 3 seconds, then release. When it comes time to replace the filter, empty the water from the pitcher, remove the lid in the reservoir, unscrew the old filter from the reservoir, and dispose of the old filter. Prepare the new filter by soaking it and flushing it out twice, as mentioned earlier in this video. Finally, reset the life indicator by holding down the Set button for several seconds, until the display reads 60 days again.
Congratulations on purchasing the Alkaline water pitcher by Lake Industries. Today, we're going to be unboxing the product and showing you how to place the cartridge into the reservoir. Let's get started. Once you receive the product, remove it from the box. Take the pitcher out and remove the bubble wrap. Your pitcher will have tape around the lid. Remove the tape. Once the tape is removed, take the lid off, pull the reservoir out, remove the reservoir from the bag, take the cartridge out, once you remove the cartridge from the package, there will be 2 stickers on the bottom of the cartridge. Remove the stickers. Place the cartridge into the reservoir. Place the lid on the reservoir so that it fits snugly. And place the reservoir with the lid on into the pitcher. Inside the box, you'll also receive an insert explaining how to use the product for the first time. At the bottom of the insert, there's a portion where you can write down when you need to replace the cartridge. We recommend that you replace the cartridge every 2 months to get maximum use out of your pitcher. On the back of the insert, we have our 1-800 number in case you have any questions at all. Please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help. And now you're ready to get started and start using your Alkaline pitcher by Lake Industries.
Most people know 70% of our body is water, but did you know our body's pH needs to be at 7.4 to work efficiently? Today's diet is mostly acidic. Dairy, sugar, red meat, and processed foods which stress our body to maintain the pH level. Why is this important? Having a balanced pH diet and drinking alkaline water helps us to lose weight. Alkaline water neutralizes the acid, so the body doesn't have to create fat cells to combat its acidity. Boost your energy. Alkaline water lubricates muscles and joints, reducing injuries and inflammation. It also stops our body to take calcium when it is too acidic. Better hydration. Alkaline water has smaller molecular content, making it easier for the body to absorb. Healthy hearts. Higher pH water reduces blood mucosity. This means it circulates easier, reducing high cholesterol, blood pressure, and kidney stones. Improve metabolism. Alkaline water helps to cleanse our organs, reducing the recurrence of constipation. Stay younger. Alkaline water washes away toxins, and the presence of antioxidants delays the aging process. Finally, keeping your body neutral or alkaline helps prevent cancer cells. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency recommends that the pH of drinking water be between 6.5 and 8.5. If you want to increase the pH of your tap water in the most natural and sustainable way, visit us or find the certified products on Amazon.com.